Good day, guys. Just thought I would give you guys another update. So we dropped about 3.8% since my last video, and we're still working our way down here, right? But today, the Fed Chair Powell is talking, right? And I don't know how the market's going to react to that. We could get a rally. Maybe he says something the market likes, and we have a rally and we turn around again. Right? I don't know what it could be. But the reason I say that is because of where we are right now, and I'm gonna go over there. I think we are going to bounce here, and we could push back up to here. We push a little bit further and then work its way down. We'll have to see. So let me just go this into the smaller time frames. Let's look at 2 hour. Right. And the first thing over here, right, is this area. Now I did mention in Sunday's video that we could have a fall and a bounce of this area, right? So what do we have here? We have previous support, holding a support at the moment, right? And we take this anchored VWAP tool from this low. I also have this one tool from this low. And it's holding on this anchored VWAP, value weighted average price. Now we have several confluences saying that we might get a bullish push up here. And I want to take this trend line from this low. We have the support and this support. So support, bounced off that now, right? So for me, a confirmation that it could potentially push higher now is, we don't get to that now, but there's also this level here. We also have resistance, breaks resistance, this as support and support. So yeah, if you guys got in there, nice little entry there. I don't know how high we're gonna go. We could push back up to this resistance level. Could push a bit further, but if you didn't get this entry here, you could potentially, remember, this isn't financial advice, this is just strictly educational. So I'm just showing you guys, if it breaks past this resistance level, you have this resistance, you could get a break, potential retest, that breaks. But yeah, we'll have to see what happens with what Fed Chair Powell says today. That he's talking about later. If none of that happens, and let's say it rejects off where it is now, it could potentially, right? But I think we do have a bounce now. Let's just look at these oscillators. As you guys can see, another confluence that we can add to this area, right, is this low is lower than this low. Remember, this is the stochastic. This low, lower than this low. This low is higher than this low. That is divergence. It's opposite. With the RSI, same thing. This low, lower than this low, or even though it's just slightly, still lower than this low. Higher, lower. Divergence on both the stochastic and the RSI. So a lot of confluences there for push. We look at our regular chart. Remember, this is the logarithmic chart. This is going to same, and the MFI, the money flow index, divergence. So what we also have here is a level of support in this channel area. So if you look at the past, how it act here at this level, you can see it act as resistance, support, support, resistance, support, resistance, 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 support, resistance, resistance, support, 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 support. Currently acting as support right now. Right. So, I don't know how high it pushes up. Could come and test these levels again. Break through this, give us a fake out, or it could push up to there. But I don't know if it pushed that high, man. I would be wary about this level over here, this Fibonacci level over here. If we look at from this low to that low, it also bounces between these levels. You see what I'm saying? Over here, let's just look at this right here. You can see it really acted as support, then as resistance, then as support, and then as resistance. Over here also support, support, resistance, 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 support, resistance, resistance, right there. So if we do break above that level, you know, we could have maybe something like that. Who knows? I'm gonna continue to see what happens over here. So if you had a little entry here, just give yourself a stop loss under there. If this breaks, then you continue now. So those are the confluences in this area, guys. So this might be another potential entry here. Break, retest, see if it pushes to at least there, repeats resistance again. Alright guys, quick little update. I do however think if we push, we still have a move down, but yes, it could be a good day trade. From the trade today, you could catch up almost 2,000 pips. Also remember I told you guys in the video about the anchored VWAP. Right now, this is now this thing in action. You can see how this level was respected here. Now look at something else. I'm gonna see what the 5-day moving average is now. Okay, below the 5-day moving average, right? So this yellow moving average here, it's the 5-day, even though it's only 1 hour. You just divide the hours into the day, so 120. With 120 hours in 5 days. So you see what I'm saying. it comes back to test that area. Let's say breaks it, then it could add to a confluence. It might even go further. So let's see what happens with Fed Chair Powell today. Maybe people are expecting him to say, okay, the next meeting they're gonna slow the rate hikes, maybe not hike as high. I don't know. I have no idea what he could be saying. I'm just saying whatever he says could potentially affect the market. It could rally and then disappoints and then, right? Or obviously the whole day, maybe the market waits for him to say something and then maybe he says something you don't like, breaks, retest, and we continue. So those are two scenarios that I am looking at. Why is it doing this? Okay, that's my cue. Alright guys, see you in the next one. So yeah, one last thing. So even if we rally right, I'm still waiting for this support. Maybe get a bounce, nice healthy bounce for the day, and then a collapse, retest, then potentially down. Alright,